Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Deepcodr. You must be developing React application for quite long, but while running the React application in the console, you can see the React application shows this text which is quite boring. So what if I tell you, you can bring something cool text while running the React application like this one or like this one, or you can also bring some image art like this one in the console and be some cool guy while running the React application. So without wasting much time, let's start today's video in which we will see how to bring this cool Ascii art while running the React application. You might be wondering how we can bring this Ascii art in terminal while running the React application. But no worries, I have created a package called reactasciibanner in npm so that you can use this package to bring the Ascii art in your console. So to use this package, we have to install this package using npm in our project, and then just we have to update the package.json like react banner start to use the Ascii art. Now let's go to the project and let's see how to use this package. So here we have the sample React project called React Hello World. So let's just start the project like the without reactasciibanner. So this is the page that we are getting, and as you can see in the console, we are seeing the custom response that is set by the React. Now to replace this text with Ascii art, let's just install the package that I have created. The package name is reactasciibanner, so let's just install it using npm. As it is a scope package, we have to mention the scope name, then we have to mention the package name like this one. That's it. We have installed the package. Now let's use the package by updating the package.json file. So we just have to replace this React scripts start with the React banner start. Currently the package supports only the start script, so we just have to replace the start script. Keep the other things as it is. Now let's run the application using npm start. As we can see, we got the error. So this package requires a react banner art.txt file which will be inside the src folder. So let's just add this file. This file will contain the Ascii art that we are going to use. So let's just create a new file. Now you can use any Ascii art generator to generate the Ascii art. So I am using this website to generate my Ascii art. So let's just type here something. So this website provides multiple options to create the Ascii art. Let's just copy one from the given options. Let's paste it here, and that's it, we are ready to go. Now let's run the application. As you can see, the application got started, and you can see that the Ascii art got printed here. So like this, you can bring any Ascii art to the console using this package. Also, if you want to use image Ascii art, then you can generate one using any of the generator available, and then use that, paste that Ascii art here, that will be printed in the console. So that's it for today's videos. The link for the JavaScript package and Ascii Art Generator will be in the description below. For more such interesting videos and tutorials, do subscribe my channel and share my videos. I will see you in the next one.